I've been hatching eggs for about 19 years. I did have to take a couple of years off, but it is amazing to see learning come to life with the kids.
I think it said 45 minutes. It turns just a little bit. Like, you can't even hardly tell how much it turns.
We candle the eggs on day 7 and day 14. On day 7, it's to see if anything's growing inside.
When we candle it, you'll see it moving around, and you know what you'll be able to see? The eye. Because it's big and black and it moves around in there.
And then day 14, we see if there's less room in the egg. If there's less room, we know it's growing.
And some of them are going to look like this. They're going to have a little baby chicken there growing, okay?
The kids have learned a lot of patience because it takes 21 days.
They always have flashlights?
No, they used
No, so they might have used real candles. So we're going to get ready. Can you see it moving?
Oh yes, I think I there's a name.
I think the students like after they've hatched because they get to hear them and see them. They enjoy candling because it's cool. They see all the movement inside and they get excited. But then when they put it together that thing that was moving inside is now a fluffy, cute little baby chick, then I think that's probably their favorite process.
That's why